Hello, in the workshop I've got this shelf above the window where I keep my hand planes. It works okay, but most of the time you never see them on film. They're out the way. So I'd like them down somewhere more obvious. And I have some other planes. In the shed, I've got this whole box of rusty planes that I've picked up over the years. I need to do something with them, and if I actually bring them in here and have them shelves, maybe I will. So I need a space for this shelf, and what I found is the windowsill is pretty much exactly the right width for hand planes. And I think they'll look great there. Because the shelf's going to be in the window and very obvious, and it's going to have some nice planes on, I want the shelf itself to look nice. So I have lots of scraps of rough sawn oak. So the first job is to get these planed and thickness down. I've got the pieces planed down. Now they all need ripping down into strips. I've got one piece that's already thin, so I'm going to use that to set the fence and get them all brought down to this size. Unfortunately, these two windows are different sizes, but I can get these measured out and cut to length. Right, so the wood for the shelves is all cut. Now I need a way of actually fixing them into the windows. Now I had thought about some frames with some slots cut out for them to go into, but I've decided to keep things much more simple. And I've got some square bits of wood that I'm going to cut down into some little blocks. To get these blocks attached to the frame, I'm going to need a couple of holes in each one. So I have a countersinking drill bit, and I'm just going to get 2 holes drilled through each one. I've given all the bits a good sand down. Now I'm going to get some beeswax oil applied to everything and leave it to dry. These are all the components then for my plain shelves, but I've still got the Spokeshaves to deal with. So I've got another piece of wood, and I'm going to rip down a couple of bits to make a rack for the Spokeshaves. I have the 2 pieces cut for my Spokeshave rack. Now I need to cut out places for them to go. So I'm going to mark out on here where the cutouts need to go. I have a 32mm drill bit, Forstner bit, and I'm going to drill through on all those marks I've made. I've got the holes now for the Spokeshaves to go into, but I need slots. So I have my square that has a 45° on it, and I'm drawing a 45° line from the hole to the edge of the board. I'm going to cut out along these lines using the bandsaw. So that I can attach this to the wall, I'm going to drill down a few little holes. I'm going to finish these with the same beeswax oil I did the shelves with, and then I'm going to get them put to one side and just leave everything overnight to fully cure. This has all dried, so this bottom piece, I don't think I'm going to attach it there. It is just going to sit on there, and then I can get the other shelves up. So I've cut a little spacer block that's 20 centimetres, that can go in. Then I have my little blocks with the holes in, that can go on top, and I can get it screwed into place. A shelf can now go onto there. We can get our spacer block of wood on, another block on, and just keep working away. There we go, 3 shelves in that window. That's the shelves up, but whilst I have the impact driver out, I'm going to get the Spokeshave rack up as well. Nothing left to do but get everything put into place. There we go, simple little job that. Some shelves in the window, but I think it looks great. I'm really pleased with how it looks. The Spokeshaves are nice there. The plane's easy to grab, but also just a nice display. These old rusty record ones that I've got need cleaning up now, so maybe now that they're right in front of me, I'll actually get on with it. So thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.